2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It looks as sharp as it performs, with stylish features which include satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, four-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, roll bars, auto climate control, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls. The open road is calling. Drive it home today.